Welcome to our channel, Consult Criba. Enlightening and empowering exemppreneurs. We saw about what is our RoDTEP scheme in our recent video. This video is about the procedure to claim our RoDTEP incentive. To receive the latest updates on exports, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Our RoDTEP, remission of duties and taxes on exported products. Following are the steps involved to claim our RoDTEP benefits: claiming and shipping bill, processing of claim, generation of scroll, claiming credits and generation of credit scripts, utilization of scripts and imports. From 1st of January, 2021, it is mandatory to indicate the RoDTEP claims in the shipping bill. The claim in the shipping bill should include a declaration as follows. We, in regard to our claim under our RoDTEP scheme, made in this shipping bill or bill of export, hereby declare that 1. We undertake to abide by the provisions, including conditions, restrictions, exclusions, and time limits, as provided under the RoDTEP scheme, and relevant notifications, regulations, etc., as amended from time to time. 2. Any claim made in this shipping bill or bill of export is not with respect to any duties or taxes or levies, which are exempted or remitted or credited under any other mechanism outside our RoDTEP. 3. We undertake to preserve and make available relevant documents relating to the exported goods for the purposes of audit in the manner and for the time period prescribed in the Customs Audit Regulations, 2018. As part of customs formalities, the carrier in charge or agent submits the Export General Manifest, EGM, as the proof of export to the customs authority. Once EGM is submitted, shipping bills go to the risk management system. There, it will be decided whether the benefits need processing by an officer or can be directly approved to the scroll queue. Once this is processed, a scroll with all individual shipping bills for the admissible amount will be generated and made available in the RoDTEP credit ledger account in ICEGATE login. If the exporter is not registered, they can register using their IEC and digital signature certificate. Let's see the steps involved in creating the RoDTEP credit ledger in ICEGATE. Go to icegate.gov.in website. Scroll down to Our Services. Click on RoDTEP. Log in using your credentials. Find the Credit Ledger option on the left panel. Click on the option to create the credit ledger account. Select the RoDTEP from the drop-down menu in the Scheme Name checkbox. Once the account is created, the following operations can be performed on the page. Scroll details, script details, transaction details, transfer script, approve script transfer. Here are some of the key points to remember. The shipping bill should contain the following declarations in the info type table for each item. Info type equals DTY. Info QFR equals RDT. Info code equals our RoDTEPY if our RoDTEP is availed. Our RoDTEPN if not availed. Info MSR equals quantity of the items in statistical UQC as per the Customs Tariff Act for that item or ITC. Info UQC equals UQC for the quantity indicated in Info MSR. If RoDTEPY is claimed in info code, a declaration has to be submitted in the statement table of the shipping bill as statement type equals DEC. Statement code equals RD001. The benefit is processed completely through the inbuilt software. If you are availing of benefits Under other schemes, like Advance Authorization, EOU, jobbing, the RoDTEP cannot be availed, even if the claim is made in the shipping bill. The software automatically checks the inbuilt system to disallow the RoDTEP benefit. If you miss claiming RoDTEP specifically in the shipping bill, RoDTEP will not accrue to you. No changes in the claim will be allowed after the filing of the EGM. The final list of RITC codes is yet to be announced by the government as of 4 January 2021. Though the RITC is yet to be notified, you must indicate the intent for the claim at the time of shipping bill filing itself. Once the rates are notified, the system would automatically calculate the RoDTEP amounts for all the items where RoDTEPY was claimed. The option to generate scrolls will be kept disabled in the system till the final rates are notified by the government. The customs officer can intervene based on risk-based targeting by RMS, generate the RoDTEP scrolls, and suspend any RoDTEP script. If you are looking for the right guidance, motivation, and networking opportunity, join our CK membership, the digital EXIM community, using the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.